Happy March! It's Jen Pace Dickinson with Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to show you how to make our kids take and make craft this month, which is a yarn wrapped rainbow. So grab a kit, some scissors and glue, and follow along. Okay, so in your kit you have this styrofoam base. It's actually a wreath base, but we tore that in half to make the rainbow shape. You're going to have 3 different colors of yarn. And then you're going to also have some of this fluffy filling to make the clouds with. So you see I already kind of started this, so we have 3 colors of yarn, so our rainbow is actually only going to have 3 colors, but it's still going to be beautiful. So we're going to want to put 1 color at the top and 1 color at each of the sides. So you can see I already started with the pink, and you should have more than enough thread. So when you think you have enough thread, you can see I haven't used quite all of the pink. You'll want to grab your scissors. You're going to also need scissors and glue for this. And cut it off. And you just want to keep wrapping it until you don't see any white. You can just cut off the yarn. Hopefully you have better scissors than I do. And just put some glue where you want that end of the yarn to be, and stick that last little piece of yarn on there. Alright, and I actually don't think I used glue to adhere the pink yarn, but of course, never a bad idea. So when you're putting a new color, you might just want to put some glue on that styrofoam. And you'll grab one piece of one side of the yarn and start wrapping. And out of my 3 colors, brown is probably going to be my least favorite, so I might do a little less brown than the pink and teal. And you're just going to wrap until you can't see any more of that white styrofoam. And like I said, my brown section is going to be a little bit smaller than my pink and teal. Uh-oh. Technical difficulties. Alright, getting close. Just maybe a little more right here. Alright, then I'm going to do the same thing I did with the pink yarn when I was done. I'm going to cut that, put some glue, and glue that final piece. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing with the green teal yarn, and we'll come back and add our clouds at the end. Okay, so unfortunately I did the second half of the video without pressing record, but I will tell you what I did so you guys can do it. So you have that piece of filling. You are going to divide that into 2 pieces, and that's going to be the clouds at the bottom of your rainbow. You're going to put glue on the styrofoam, and you might want to put a glue kind of maybe on the bottom parts of the yarn as well, and you'll fluff that up to make your clouds. Then you will, whatever color you did in the middle, if you want, you can cut another piece of that color yarn, and you can make something to hang your rainbow up with. If you want to hang it in a window or in your room, you can just cut a short piece of that yarn, and you can tie a knot in it. My hands are all sticky from the glue now, so this is harder than it usually would be. And now I can hang my rainbow up. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft. Have a happy March.